Come on, how many know it's your time? And you can say clearly from your mouth, from your heart, I'm ready. It's my time. Woo! Hey, hey, are you ready? It's your time. Get ready, saint of God. It's your time. Ooh-wee. Hey, listen. See, while we walking in His light, it's our time. It's our time. Ooh. See, you going through many of battles, many of battles. But the battle is not yours. It belongs to God. See, those things that come in our life, the trouble come to give us patience, and patience hope, and hope experience. And so it goes on and on. It's to build you up. So you might as well get ready, because it's your time. 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 Oh, it's your time. Wipe the tears. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, you ain't got to wait to dance. Come on. Dance. God is working it out. Get ready. Hey. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. See, you don't have to worry. Things are gonna work out for you, even though you don't have what you need. God is working it out for you. He said His blessings, His thoughts for you. His blessings, and yeah, amen. It's your time. It's your time. Come on, you gotta act like it. God promised it to you. God promised it, and He'll do it. Get ready, yeah. Make some room. Make some room. Make some room in your life. Get ready. It's your time. Your time. Your time. Hey. Oh, I feel it. Get ready. Get ready. Oh. It's your time. Get ready. God promised it, and He'll do it. Get ready, yeah. Make some room. Make some room. Make some room in your life.